And our Storm Team SkyCam network of cameras, this one from Home of Economy in Grand Forks, keeping our eyes on some darkening skies out to the west. Nothing to be concerned about, but if you don't like snow, there's a chance of a few flakes flying as we head into your evening. Here's a look at the latest readings out at Hector International in Fargo. The temperature around 39 degrees, so we're up a couple. 41 at Moorhead's Airport. Wind, though, out of that chilly northerly direction, 20 miles per hour. At times it's gusted a little higher than that, and the air over us remains pretty dry as we have, well, dew points down in the 20s at this hour. So we have a dry air mass in place over us, but the clouds are trying to yield a few flakes of snow. This morning we did get some showers of rain in the Southern Valley. Those are shifting off towards Duluth right now. Now the heaviest snow that we're seeing on the radar anyways, showing up right here in western and central Grand Forks County, gliding eastbound about 25 miles per hour. We'll put it in the Grand Forks area by the time we get close to the top of the hour, and it'll be pushing into western Polk County as well. Elsewhere, we're not seeing much of this reaching the ground on area Department of Transportation cameras, even out towards New Rockford and Carrington. Now, our camera at the Home of Economy location in Devil's Lake did happen to pick up a couple of flakes drifting through the sky. So no accumulation expected from this unsettling cold slap in the face after a beautiful spring day on your Earth Day yesterday. Still holding on to some 40s in Wadena County, not far from that in Valley City, Fargo, as well as Jamestown. 37 from Devil's Lake into 36 degrees for you in the Grand Forks area. All right, let's get down to the details for tonight. The north winds subside a bit, becoming less gusty by the time we hit the 10 o'clock hour. Our snow chances should be moving off to the east with this deck of clouds, with clearing taking place pretty rapidly behind this system as it works its way through overnight. Those who are clearest the longest overnight will be the coldest. First thing in the morning, some brief teens possible in northeast North Dakota. The rest of us in the frosty 20s out there. So a chilly start to your weekend. But look at this, no wind arrows of substance on the map. We might see a little bit more of a north wind and flow across Minnesota as we go through the day. But by and large, already by the midday hour, we'll be punching back into the 40s, on our way to mid 40s, possibly a 50-degree reading or two in our western counties as we go through your afternoon. And in Lakes Country and central Minnesota with the north flow, you will be a little bit cooler, but still very pleasant with a lot of sunshine and light wind. Now, late in the day, we'll see an increase in clouds from the west. A warm front will be punching in, but that warm front, kind of a misnomer here, it's going to bring a chance of snow into our Sunday for some. Here's a look at your forecast for tomorrow in Fargo. Saturday starting out very chilly, but warming up into the mid 40s. That's below average, but it's not bad with the light winds and sunshine. Increase in clouds late in the period. As we look at your day tomorrow, a lot of mid 40s across eastern North Dakota and a little cooler in central Minnesota for Babe the Blue Ox and you in Park Rapids. What about Sunday, Hutch? Here comes your warm front. You can see it. That warmer air trying to ride over the top of the cooler air here. It's going to ring out a few flakes of snow. It could be, well, maybe even coating the grassy areas down along the South Dakota border in the early part of the day. Then once we get to this side, the warm side of the system, temperatures will be on their way up late Sunday and into your Monday. Look at a photo from today as the storm rolled in, this shelf cloud pushing its way across the region. All right, let's take a look at your forecast for Sunday. 44 degrees, a cool close to the weekend with those showers moving through, but we warm, as I mentioned, to 60 with a good chance of some measurable rain into the early part of next week, Andrea, before we dry out again and head back into the 60s. Some much needed moisture could be coming for our western counties.
A little something for everyone, even if you like snow.
Right.
Thanks, Hutch. Aside from green grass,